life to the fullest.tv, a big learning community. Uncle Roland and his friend, ready to listen and be your friend. Yeah, live life, yeah, to the fullest. Yeah, live life, yeah, to the fullest. Big potential is what you have, the situation will drive you mad. If disappointed or anxious, lost or confused and end in lust, we will help you to take action, work together with one mission. Live life to the fullest together, live life to the fullest forever. Yeah, live life, yeah, to the fullest. Yeah, live life, yeah, to the fullest. Yeah, together. Yeah, forever. Yeah, together. Yeah, forever. Live life to the fullest. Live life to the fullest. Oh, 凶啊. Hey, maybe you can do a better job. Alright, hear from you.
Hello everybody, welcome to TGIF 101 Little Home Chef. Okay, but we are not little. So we aim to bring to you very simple recipe that even kindergarten kids also can do it, and TaiTai with zero experience. Yes, TaiTai. So you don't even need any kitchen equipment that is very expensive. Just simple things like you have it at home, you can make this dessert. Let us show you how to do it today. So let me introduce myself, okay. I need to clear my throat because I need to rap. Okay, hi, I'm Kylie I'm 25, I'm an entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur. Okay, I'm a stay-home mom of 3. So this is Angeline.
Hello.
Introduce yourself, bro.
I'm an entrepreneur also working with Kylie.
I'm Kylie.
Kylie.
She don't know my name. She's my best friend for so many years, but she don't know my name. Okay, so do you consider yourself as a TaiTai?
Honestly, no.
Why? You sleep at home every day. So do you know how to cook?
Maggie, is it counted?
I think everyone also know how to cook Maggie. But never mind, today we will learn how to cook. Okay, let me just tell you guys, okay? We have zero experience in cooking, and today is our first time cooking dessert. So if anything happen to us, right, next week you never see us, means that we put poisoning already. But okay, it's okay, it's very simple. Let's move on. Okay, today we are going to introduce you 4 simple microwave recipe. So all this recipe is so easy that all you need is just microwave. So actually both of us really like high tea, but she always overslept and fly out at me, so we never really go high tea before. And at the same time, COVID, we cannot even go out and eat. So here we are learning how to make high tea with just microwave because we really don't know how to cook and bake lah. So microwave is better for us lah. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to make today is a 2 minutes chocolate chip cookie in a cup. But we don't have chocolate chip lah, so we replace it with chocolate, okay? Today I just say go to Sheng Siong, but Sheng Siong never sell. I don't know why. Maybe so many people like me don't know how to cook, then go and bake all these microwave cookies. So firstly, right, we need butter and sugar and brown sugar and vanilla extract and salt and egg yolk and flour. Hey, you very slow lah. Faster show them the sugar. Sugar, Gatsby, and brown sugar.
What sugar? Which one?
This is the brown sugar.
Oh.
You see, I don't know how to cook. I also know which one is brown sugar. You talk gong, you.
Okay.
Vanilla extract. This shows that we don't cook at all. And salt. And egg yolk. I'm not a professional in cracking the egg yolk, but later let's see whether the egg yolk will be one. Okay, we have the flour with us. Okay, so let's start this chocolate chip cookie with no chocolate chip. Okay, first we need to melt the butter in the microwave. The microwave can put plastic one or not? Can
I don't think so.
never mind lah, suka later 爆炸 so they say need to
Put how many?
They never tell me need to put how long leh.
40 seconds, 40 seconds.
40 seconds ah. Okay, you press this one. No, they say press this one. Okay, never mind. 40 seconds. Okay, start.
Few moments later.
We are waiting for butter to melt for 40 seconds, right? Because I wanted to give my husband a surprise. But I hope he don't get food poison.
You're under arrest.
So if tomorrow you never see him, right, means that I'm in hospital. Okay, we are done. Hey, where's my butter?
Be careful, hot 啊。
你要拉我的头发，看起来比较浪漫一点。Okay, we have butter. So we need this one.
Okay.
I see those cooking show they all need to use this one, then very professional one. But
That was
how
legitness.
much butter though? Okay,
How much,
so anyhow we just add all the butter in.
Okay.
If they give me this amount, means it's this amount already lah. Okay, so the next one we will add sugar.
This one, that one is salt.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I thought your cooking
wait. This one. Put how many? This one?
Too much later he diabetes how? Maybe a little bit more lah. I thought they add a lot more. We need to add all.
Oh man, serious?
I don't know, 1 tablespoon lah. Okay, with that. Then we will add. They also need to add salt one lah. I think so I also never tried before leh. But I think that we are too disaster at the kitchen. We need the teaspoon. I think the salt is just a little bit if not very salty. Okay, we just add a little bit. Okay, then we'll add vanilla. I think vanilla only like little bit will do lah. Okay. Just add it in. Then we will mix it. I'll just do it like that. Then next, right, we will separate our egg and the egg yolk to the cup and continue to stir.
Okay, I continue.
Okay, so we need to crack the egg.
Yeah,
so we
okay.
need a bowl to crack the egg. Okay, here got bowl. Okay, we will crack the egg. So it's just the egg yolk lah. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
So unhygienic.
It's the eggshell that is not inside the egg. Oh my god! Oh my god! The egg is full. They say only need the egg.
Whoa.
Okay, you see, I'm very quite professional one. Okay. This is my hidden talent. Okay, only 1 egg yolk, right? Okay, add 1 egg yolk inside.
Like,
Oh my god!
Okay.
You break the egg yolk. Okay, supposed to break the egg yolk. Okay, continue to stir. Then we add flour. And then this one, they never give me dustbin to throw. Okay, so next one we'll add the flour. Where's the... Okay, we'll take this. So we'll add the flour in. I don't know how much flour they need.
I think just pour a bit first. Pour a bit
lah. We only got 1 small cup, so we pour a bit lor. Okay. Like that faster, you see. But add how much, huh?
I don't know.
Like that we 拍 until 明天sia.
Watch me spank your daddy!
I think enough
Bro, need to help me.
I help you.
They turn my face off.
Aya.
Like here, we don't care. Then we stir again. We stir again. Then we just they have that thing. We have the mix. Okay, you continue mix. Okay, I will talk and I will look at the recipe. Okay, this one is my assistant for the day. Okay, so we will add the chocolate chip. So chocolate chip will be replaced by this chocolate, but this one will melt in the microwave lah. So I just chop into small pieces lah. Later will become like chocolate cookie, and then so be it lah. At least like still can eat ma, 又不会死。You know, nowadays our strawberry generation we don't even need to cook ourselves because everything we throw to the husband to cook. Because we are TaiTai at home. 老公养就好了嘛Why need to cook? Ask your husband to hire a maid. Okay. This one don't even look like. This one like quite feel.
Need to make.
You know what this is? Like the corn you smash into.
要弄到很像 dough 这样啊。
I'm not sure leh. Is it supposed to be like this? I never see this kind of thing.
I think need more.
Need more. You now throw inside. Can eh?
Can
Or need more flour? Oh, okay. Okay, you can continue mix. Okay, so I will wait for her to stir finish, then I add the chocolate in. You know, it's very hard to learn cooking But every time my husband cook for me Western I also don't like one. But he claimed that he's the best in Singapore. You know.
Yeah, boy.
He's what audio what is that spaghetti called?
I don't know.
Agio, don't know. Amor cannot.
Agio.
That spaghetti, he claimed that he cooked the best. Everybody queue up for his spaghetti. This look the same as just now, Are you sure or not? We need to touch.
Yeah.
Okay, that come out look different. I really don't know. Hey, you make cookie before, right? Or what?
No.
Is it supposed to look like that?
Not really actually.
Okay, never mind, we just mix lah.
Never mind. Also not we eat. Your husband will be eating, right?
Yeah, you throw everything to my husband to eat. Okay, I think supposed to be a dough, and then we put inside the cup, right? Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
我们 just 用手捏啦，这样子 mix 到几时
Please don't learn this at home.
Okay, please
Wash your hand first.
wash your hand. Now it's COVID. Please use hand sanitizer all the time.
Why you roll until like the seaweed rice?
I think it's this cup. Okay, it's this cup. Okay, we'll just throw inside. Then we. Don't 浪费 You need to give him eat more one. This one cannot satisfy his appetite. Okay. You see his face look awful now because he's gonna eat this thing that I squeezed. Okay.
Yeah, first go wash.
Then we'll cook in microwave for 40 to 60 seconds. Okay, let's check it out later whether this is a real dish or what. But I don't really care because I'm not the one eating it. So 1 minute. Just 1 second. Oh god, how do we start? Okay. Oh shit.
Come, I help you. How many?
How many press 1 minute?
1 minute. Okay.
Okay, so we'll wait for 1 minute.
10 seconds later.
So Angeline, what do you do at home? Every day, just sleep.
No.
Then you don't even cook.
I cook Maggie.
Then how you survive?
Sometimes.
You just grab food?
Most of the time.
Don't worry, Jie here will teach you how to make good food.
Okay, thank you.
Food. Sorry, you see my hand? So dirty. Okay.
Can you like at least go and wash your hand first?
Okay. She will continue talking.
Really so unhygienic. Better not learn from her, man. Okay. And also, this one still need or not? The egg yolk. The 白蛋还需要吗?
No, never mind. Later we'll bring it back home and cook for the kids.
Okay.
Don't 浪费 why? Do you know I save the earth? 环保 eh.
Okay.
Yeah. I want. Hey, you see, I can smell the cookie smell already.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm such a good cook. I'm so proud of myself. You see, it's my first time cooking. You see, I can cook something so well.
Eh? Don't know where's the dustbin. Never mind,
There's
just
no
throw here.
dustbin. We'll throw here. Later the person will clean until very jialat. Okay, so... Hey, you press 2 minutes lah, bro!
Okay, stop.
No, still got 30 seconds. No, you need to start back first.
Yeah, 2
still got
minutes
30 seconds. You say 2 minutes now, it's 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay.
So 2 minutes minus 1 minute 30 seconds less 30 minutes. 30 seconds. 30 minutes.
30 seconds lah.
Testing you only lah. See you know. Who know you so gongkia? I'm so excited for the cookie. My thing will become chocolate cookie.
Lot of boring math later.
1 million years later.
Okay, you can stop already.
Faster.
Wow.
Wow. Haven't done yet. Okay, let's move back.
No. Eh? No, I haven't done. I think done already lah. Done already lah.
No lah, not cooked yet lah, you see? Give it
Never mind.
30 seconds more. Because you switch off the... How to off? Okay, so this is the... this one is the
Chocolate
final
cake.
product lah. Look like the cookie haven't fully cooked yet, but you roughly know it's like that lah, because we are first timer, so we get this kind of results. It's very good already. So let's give ourselves applause.
Okay.
Okay, clap louder lah. Okay, so this one is the first dish. Wow, 这样子摆很像7月. Okay. Okay, so we'll move on to the next dish. Okay, so next we'll make this 5 minutes molten lava chocolate cake. So do you eat lava cake before?
Yes, I love it. Especially the zap, the chocolate zap. Oh,
What's up?
very nice. The lava, the zap, the drip.
Okay,
off.
so today we will try to make this lava cake that got zap float out, right? Okay, so we need flour.
Flour.
Oh, wait. So they say we need flour.
Okay.
1/4 cup. 1/4. No, bro. You need to put this
Okay.
like 1/4. Like you need to divide by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, until here.
Okay.
Okay, put little bit until there, and then we pour inside.
Okay.
Okay, we need to have flour,
1
baking
teaspoon
powder,
baking.
1 teaspoon. Hey, this is teaspoon, remember?
Okay.
Then you have sugar, cocoa powder. Wait, haven't put inside yet. I'm introducing the ingredients. Baking powder is this. That's icing sugar, bro.
Oh.
Oh. So
Cannot
if you
waste.
know why
Cannot
the
waste.
dish screw up, it's because she mixed up the
No.
ingredients. Okay, she don't even.
Cannot waste. Cannot waste.
Hey, you
Must
see
save.
this one, the baking powder. The words is so big, but she cannot even see it's a baking powder. She take the icing sugar. Okay.
Okay, so for how much?
Next time I need to hire some professional assistant already. I need to cut her salary.
Okay, so
Okay, so we need baking powder, sugar,
how many?
cocoa powder, and salt,
teaspoon.
oil, and milk, and chocolate. So first we will add flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoon of 2 teaspoon is teaspoon.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1/4 tab of salt. Okay, so we throw the flour in first.
Sugar.
Hey, I haven't. Never mind, we don't care. Then put sugar. Sugar is the big spoon. Okay, we'll put 2 spoon of sugar. Then we'll take 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
I put already.
You put already? You never tell me later I put double. Okay, then we need cocoa powder. We don't have lah, so just forget it. Okay. And salt. So we need salt. So we need a little bit of salt. So it's like just little bit, you see? Very little, 1/4. This one I estimate one lah. I'm not professional lah, okay? But end of the day, the person that eats not me mah. So we'll mix well.
Milk.
Huh? Need milk mah? No lah, the first step, no milk first.
Okay.
You need to stir first, okay? We need this one, then we stir. You stir, okay, stir the powder. Hey, why the bowl got water, huh? Now my flour all hardened already.
Should be harder lah, no way.
Okay, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil and milk. I know oil, so I'll replace it with butter, but where's the butter?
Behind.
Okay, we'll take more butter. Okay, I'm not a professional in cutting stuff lah. Sometimes I even cut my own fingers. You see, for this show, I sacrifice myself. Okay, I need to melt the butter again. Yeah. I think put more lah. Later I might need butter again for the next recipe. So I put more. Okay, I put inside the microwave and melt it first. 10 seconds. Start. Okay, we'll wait for the butter to melt. So this one, they say you add 2 tablespoons of milk first.
Alright.
Yeah, this is the milk mah.
Okay.
What they mean?
Enjoy your meal.
Oh, enjoy your meal. Buttermilk already meh? Haven't yet lah.
Yeah.
Put
Okay,
40
nice, right?
seconds. I forget already. 2 tablespoons of milk.
Okay.
Then we'll wait for the butter. Because we need like 2 tablespoons of butter also. Aiyo, look like rojak sia.
Oh my god.
You just mix first lah while we waiting for the butter. Hey, you need to show them. If not, they don't know your rojak look like what. Stop.
Wow. 超大 already.
爆炸 already.
Oh!
Oh! No lah, it's just now the cookie lah, 炒大 lah, because the cookie left inside. Stop right. I will press stop right. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, I add 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of oil with butter. Okay, like that. And mix it. Wow, this one looks good ah. Look better than the previous recipe leh. Because this time I got look at the recipe one, I got follow.
Okay, I think you stand here. I need help with this because later we are using. Okay. Ew. Stop already. Stop already.
Okay, next we will put inside the cup. Is it this cup?
Already.
This. Okay, we'll add inside this cup and put inside the microwave. Oh, but lava cake got chocolate one eh. So what is this?
Okay.
Chocolate truffle in the middle. Transfer into microwave friendly bowl.
This one.
Or this one. So this, But you see, our one so watery. So I need to 搅 until become hardened. What?
I think so.
Add more flour? I think I need to add more flour. People hinting me already. Okay, add more flour.
Okay.
Okay, then we will stir. I just anyhow just show you all how to make this.
Is this
Okay.
chocolate? Eh?
Yeah, chocolate, wait until done already, and we add the chocolate in the middle one. Is it like this?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
better.
should be fine now. So we will just mix it and stir. And they say add the chocolate truffle in the middle.
Inside?
But this is chocolate cube. Okay, we'll just replace it.
Or?
Put inside. Put inside the cup first. Half. Put half first. Oh. Okay, you can throw the chocolate in first. Oh, oh. One only.
Oh, one only.
Yeah. Now put the rest in. Oh god. I said I want to give my husband a surprise, but look like a disaster. I think this one go home give the maid eat better lah, huh? Later my husband
bad.
kena poison. Okay. Then put inside the microwave. You clean the microwave already or not?
Ah, clean already.
You clean already, ah? Okay. Then we'll just put inside the microwave for 70 seconds.
Careful.
70 seconds is how long? 1 minute, 10 seconds. Okay, start.
Okay.
Okay, let's hope that this will success.
Okay, now I'm gonna wash.
Yeah, now you need to go and wash. It's good to always have an assistant to help me with all these things because, you know, I'm a TaiTai. I don't even wash plate at all.
346 minutes later.
The next recipe will be very interesting. It's something that everyone can make at home and it's very, very easy. But I'm not going to tell you right now, so we're going to wait for it. Oh, 70 seconds so long leh. Hey, you forget to take the knife, bro. You need to wash the knife also. She just ignore me. Okay, never mind. I'm lonely. Okay, the lava cake is done. Is it because I never add any cocoa powder? That's why my lava cake become white color. Hey, do you have something to hold the cup? It's very hot. Where? Okay, we'll use the tissue. See, we are not professional, we don't have all the things at home. So we'll just do this. Okay, this is our microwave Berliner lava cake.
Oh, very hot.
Okay, see? Look at our lava cake in Berliner color. Berliner color. Yeah, I'm sure this one can be consumed one. Okay, hey, I need to cut the lava cake and show them how to lao zap. Hey, how to let the lava cake come out? Must be like that.
Okay.
Hey, it won't come out. How do people even let the lava cake come out from the cup one? It bro, very hot, you do.
Come on.
My hands cannot afford to be injured.
Use this one.
Okay, so here's a plate. So, you see, I just pie like that. The lava cake come down already. Faster. Wow,
Okay.
this one is the tissue Berliner lava cake. You see? Come on. Wow, looks good, right? Okay, we're gonna slice the cake. Okay, we're gonna slice, you see? Look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Oh.
Where is the chocolate, bro? Where is the chocolate?
Chocolate.
You add one chocolate. You see, no lava at all. You see the chocolate stuck one side. So sorry, we failed this dish again. This is Berliner lava cake that don't have lava. Okay, never mind. But can eat one, huh? Okay, we'll move on to the next recipe. I first time see lava cake, no lava. Okay, next we'll be making a 2 minutes French toast in a cup. I'm sure this dish won't fail me because I'm an expert in bread. Because I eat roti every day. Husband never give allowance. If you see this, please tell him to give you more allowance. You know, I'm very broke already. I need to eat roti at home every day. You see, so poor, I know. Okay, so first, this 2 minutes French toast, right? We need 1 or 2 slices of bread in cube size. So we're gonna cut the bread first, lah. Okay. So even though I'm very broke, but I'm not gonna eat the bread skin. See, look at my expert chopping skill. Hakata! Why is it so hard to cut stuff using the knife?
I teach you the fast way.
Hey, you say you first time also. You say you teach me how to cut. This liar one, this one lied to me.
Okay, done.
Okay, so we have cube size. Not enough lah. You cut one more slice of bread.
Let me do it.
We need more. Okay, 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, yes, just so lucky I melt more butter. And we need 1 egg. But they never say it's egg yolk or egg leh. I think it's just egg lah, huh? Just do this. I'll crack 1 egg first. Hey, where's the mixing bowl? You never wash, bro? Oh, here. Okay, so right. Okay, we'll move on to the instructions on how to make the bread. So we need cube bread. Then we'll melt the butter in the cup for a few seconds in the microwave and swoosh it around the cup. Where's the cup? You got cup, man? Oh my god, my egg break already. How you take?
Wait, I cut it.
We'll leave it like that first. So we'll take this cup first. Why got flour, huh? Okay, we'll take one more. One more cup. This is the cup. Okay, so we'll take the butter and swirl around, you know. Wow, I can be part-time bartender already, you see. Shoo, 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 shoo. I'm so professional. So many hidden talent. See, my husband got me, 是他三生有幸. Okay, swash around the cup. Then we'll add the bread in to the cup. Okay, see, just nice. We'll add the bread inside the cup. Then in a separate cup, right, we'll combine the... we need one more cup. Never mind. Separate cup, we'll combine the egg. Combine the egg, the milk. The milk. Did they tell us how much milk that we need? So I'll just move forward. They'll say 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay, we'll need 3 tablespoons of milk. 3 tablespoons of milk.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then we'll put a drop of vanilla extract. Okay, a drop. A drop, very little drop. Okay, a drop. Oh, I think it's 5 drops. Okay, never mind. Will be quite sweet. Okay, so we will stir. Wow, you dare to drink this thing or not?
No.
No.
Why not you ask your husband to come in?
Ask my husband to drink. Okay, so we'll pour this liquid into the bread and allow the liquid to soak inside the bread. Okay, soak it, soak it. Make sure we cover all the bread. 一定要盖到完啊，不然的话有些沾不到。Okay, I'll just like that lah. It's so simple. Okay, so we will microwave it and start with 1 minute, then add 10 seconds at a time until cooked to our liking.
那个心 stuck。
Okay, so say 1 minute first. We'll cook for 1 minute. Okay, this French toast sure will be success one. Because it's just bread and add the egg, there's nothing.
The sink.
She flood the sink. I thought that at least she got some talent in washing the bowl or something, but end up she's flood the sink. Hey, we need a plumber. We need a plumber now. We just be TaiTai at home, wait for husband to 养我们好了。Hey, time for you to look for a boyfriend lah.
唉 no time ah.
Okay, we have 10 more seconds. Are you excited? I'm so hungry. I think so. This one I can eat. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, we are done. We need to press stop first. Oh, they say add another 10 seconds. So we need to start another 10 seconds. Because later the egg 还没有熟嘛。Later the egg is not cooked yet. Then I have diarrhea how? Okay, so we press stop. Take out the French toast. Hey, you take, I scared.
Okay, come. Yeah. This one better.
Okay, this one look delicious.
Come.
I'm sure it's very delicious.
Okay.
Wow, you see, finally we got one success dish out of 3 of them. See, let's take a look. Yes! French toast. Oh, so hot. Okay, never mind. We will just put it in front. You put there.
Okay.
Very hot, eh?
Yeah, really very hot.
You need to take more tissue. People, please 环保, don't learn like her, waste so much tissue.
Me? Okay.
Okay, so now we have all our high tea cakes. So what do we need? What is high tea without tea? So we are gonna make Taiwanese Boba Tea. Okay, this one can get lost already. Okay, so we are gonna make Taiwanese Boba Tea. So here we have Slimmy milk tea. So TaiTai are scared of like gain weight from all the high teas, calories and stuff. So most of the TaiTai is suitable to drink Slimmy milk tea because it can block away the carbs. Got one door in my hair. Faster take it off! Take it off! Please cut away that stick! You see my hair got no. This proves that how hardworking I am for cooking the dish for my husband, okay? So we have Slimmy milk tea. We are gonna make Slimmy milk tea today. It's a Taiwanese boba tea that can block carbs and help you to slim. So it's very suitable for TaiTai's high tea. Okay, so where is the sachet? First, we need a cup. Oh, this one like not so. Here's the cup. Then this, all we need is just that the Slimmy milk tea sachet and this. Because we don't have pearl, it's very hard to buy outside. I don't know where got sell also. So we will replace it with this Topiaka because how to pronounce it?
I don't know also.
Okay, jelly lah, like water jelly like that. Okay, so we replace it with this. So first, we will pour the sachet in the cup. Then how to open? Okay, we'll pour the sachet in. You open.
Aiyo.
My hand very oily. I gonna wash my hand first. You flood the sink, bro.
Okay.
So first we pour all the sachet in, and next we'll add we'll add the milk. Okay, when I pour in, you need to stir super fast.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sorry, you covered the camera already. I say super fast, you say you like super slow.
Very slow.
Use this one, this one is the bar.
Oh.
Oi, you even the milk tea also can screw up. This one is the bar, then the spoon, you see? Okay, and next we'll add this. Pour in. And there will go Slimy Taiwanese Boba Tea. Super yummy. Okay, so we are done for all the recipe today. Okay, time for homemade tea. These are the 4 recipes that you can make at home at your convenience, and it's super easy. But we screw up 2 dishes and only 2 is success, because one is tea, it's very easy to make, and one is French toast, is just bread and add the egg inside, and 2 others. This is our lava cake, okay? Look at our lava cake in vanilla color, and our cookie in a cup, okay? So that's all we have for today, and we hope that our husband eat already, won't diarrhea the next day. And let's try the food that we cook for today.
Okay, you can have it.
No, we just eat this one. This one is success one. We just taste it. It's super nice. Yeah, it's super nice. And you try it. 要死一起死啊 Okay, so as a TaiTai, if you really not vaccinated yet and you want to go for high tea, you can make all these dishes at home yourself. So thank you for watching our TGIF 101 Little Home Chef. Clap hands.
Thank you all for joining us on TGIF Little Home Chef. So just now was just a technique demonstration, but we have the real recipe in our Telegram group that you can scan our QR code at the next page, and we are inviting you to do a better job than us. Join our Telegram group and post your final results at our Telegram group to stand a chance to win a family food tray that is worth $330. So see you next time!